Hey guys, well me and Phil been moving and moving and moving today, so we are gonna go in and have us some late lunch, early dinner here, but we thought we'd just say hi real quick, and we're both beat, and I've aggravated Uncle Phil this afternoon. You know how I've done it? You see this devastated wrecked dashboard here? Well, Uncle Phil doesn't like me doing stuff like this.
You could just tell him, you don't have to keep doing it.
He's afraid I'm going to tear it up, right?
Yeah.
See? You don't want this part right here?
No.
How about if I tear this back?
No.
Uh-oh. Because, you know, I'm telling him, I was saying, Bud, look at this. Does this look like any of this is in good shape?
No, but you're making it worse.
But how can you make something that's terrible already worse?
Easy. You keep breaking pieces off, you're not going to have nothing up there.
Okay.
Nothing.
It's like this. All right, here's my thing. If you've been able to tell any difference, I've been breaking pieces off this dashboard all the way across town. Have you been able to tell any difference in this from when I started it until now?
Well,
what's different about it?
I don't know.
What's different about it? Exactly. You can't.
Then it's getting bigger.
You can't tell. You're just saying that. I broke something off and it went down in the speedometer right there a while ago. I didn't tell you that though because I thought you'd get mad about it. See, I'm not going to tear any of this out while I'm using it like this, but something like this, if I get mad, I can just break some of that off.
Well, don't get mad. Get glad.
See, you've been telling me that you've had road rage real bad and you still have it. So you cannot sit there with a straight face, Uncle Phil, and tell me that you wouldn't drive this truck and get pissed off at the traffic and reach over here and just grab a big chunk of this dashboard and break it.
Yeah, I can.
You would do that.
No, I wouldn't.
Well,
I'd get mad at whoever the other person is.
I know, but what if you couldn't take it out on them? You'd have to punish. You'd have to punish.
Take it out at them other than give them the finger and cuss them out and.
Yeah, he just feels tired. He just called the seatbelt a son of a bitch. See, yeah. Look at this. That doesn't even latch no more. But I'm not going to tear it off. I could. If I just gave it like you do, give it a good yank.
That's what you're doing. Yank
I get on the. See, but you know, you just have to accept sometimes. Accept that it's just crap. And you're not making crap any worse. Well, okay. We'll just agree to disagree. I just wonder what more than anything, I'm really curious about where all that was up there before. It used to be the dashboard. Where has that went now? Where is it? Where do you think it went?
Don't know.
You think maybe that's what happened to it? Somebody got mad at it and beat it? Well, we'll think about that another day.
Yeah,
we're gonna go. And see,
I don't know.
The thing is, but let me show you something else. See this?
Yeah.
This thing, how far down it is?
Yeah.
Because it's broke too. Everything in here is broken. Look at the head monitor.
Yeah.
See?
Whoever it was didn't take care of it. They treated it.
Well, that's part of it, but also the part of this is that these trucks are well known for having a very, very cheaply built interior. See, I already had to rebuild this seat over here. You didn't notice that, but I had to basically take another half of a seat out of another truck and cobble it together to make one seat I could use out of this thing. It's just the way it is. You know, mad about it or glad about it. That's just the way it is here, Phil. You know, just be lucky that it even works anymore.
Well, you keep breaking pieces
I could
off of it.
And if you argue with me about this anymore, I'm going to do it.
Okay,
I'm
then
going to
don't do it. And I won't argue with you.
Okay, because I'm not going to have this. Because it's right here. All I got to do is reach off the steering wheel.
And
one good yank, one good yank, and it's off.
Right.
That car. Don't dare me, Phil. Don't dare me to do this.
I dare you.
Okay, guys, we're just having fun. We'll see you. Bye-bye.